Yo, what's up everybody? It's Simon and we are about to embark on an adventure of epic proportions. We're talking massive glaciers, towering mountains and wildlife encounters that'll make your heart race. Alaska, the name alone conjures up images of untamed wilderness, a place where nature still reigns supreme. This is your ultimate guide to experiencing Alaska like never before. So buckle up, smash that like button and get ready to explore the wild beauty of Alaska. All right, let's kick off this adventure with a bird's eye view of Alaska's jaw-dropping landscapes. From the moment you take off, you're greeted with a panorama that's nothing short of spectacular. We're talking about flight seeing, people. This is the ultimate way to experience Alaska's untamed beauty. Whether you're in a helicopter or a bush plane, the thrill of soaring above this rugged terrain is unparalleled. Imagine this. You're strapped into a helicopter or a bush plane, the engine roars to life and you lift off, soaring above the tree line. The sensation of lifting off the ground and descending into the sky is exhilarating. As you climb higher, the landscape unfolds beneath you in all its glory. Below you, glaciers stretch as far as the eye can see, their icy blue surfaces crisscrossed with crevasses that look like nature's own abstract art. These massive rivers of ice are a testament to the power and beauty of nature. You might even get to land on a glacier, feeling the crunch of untouched ice beneath your feet. It's a surreal experience. Standing on a glacier that's been around for thousands of years, and if you're lucky, you might even spot a glacier calving, a massive chunk of ice breaking off and crashing into the water below. The sight and sound of this natural phenomenon are awe-inspiring. Flight seeing gives you access to remote areas that are impossible to reach by car or foot. These are places where few people have ever set foot, and seeing them from the air gives you a unique perspective on their untouched beauty. We're talking about soaring over hidden fjords, their emerald green waters reflecting the surrounding mountains. These secluded inlets are like hidden gems waiting to be discovered from the sky. So ditch the car, hop on a plane, and prepare to be amazed by the views. This is more than just a flight. It's a journey into the heart of Alaska's wild beauty, an adventure that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. All right, adventure junkies, this one's for you. We're talking about Denali, North America's tallest peak, a mountain that will test your limits and reward you with an experience like no other. Now, I'm not going to lie, climbing Denali is no walk in the park. It's a grueling, multi-week expedition that requires serious mountaineering skills and a whole lot of grit. But for those who dare to conquer it, the sense of accomplishment is unparalleled. Even if you're not ready to summit this beast of a mountain, there are still plenty of ways to experience Denali's raw beauty. Hop in a jeep and explore the rugged backcountry, where you'll encounter glaciers, rivers, and maybe even some wildlife along the way. Or lace up your hiking boots and hit the trails. Denali National Park has hundreds of miles of trails, from easy nature walks to challenging backcountry treks. So pack your gear, embrace the challenge, and get ready for an adventure you'll never forget. Get ready to paddle your way through a wonderland of ice and wonder, because we're headed to Glacier Bay National Park. This place is a kayaker's paradise. Imagine this. You're gliding through the water, the only sounds the gentle splash of your paddle and the occasional crack of a glacier. Massive icebergs, sculpted by wind and water, loom all around you, their blue and white hues reflecting in the crystal clear water. The scale of Glacier Bay is truly awe-inspiring. Tidewater glaciers, rivers of ice that flow all the way down to the sea, line the shores. Glacier Bay is teeming with life. Keep your eyes peeled for sea otters frolicking in the kelp forests, harbor seals basking on ice floes, and maybe even a humpback whale breaching in the distance. Kayaking through Glacier Bay is an experience that will stay with you long after you've returned home. It's a chance to connect with nature on a primal level. All right, folks, it's time to channel your inner musher and experience one of Alaska's most iconic adventures, dog sledding. Dog sledding is deeply ingrained in Alaskan culture, a testament to the bond between humans and animals. Imagine this. You're bundled up in warm gear, the crisp Arctic air biting at your face. In front of you, a team of eager huskies barks and howls, their excitement palpable. And then, with a shout of "mush" from the musher, you're off, gliding across the snow-covered landscape. The dogs are a force of nature, their powerful muscles propelling you forward. The wind whips past your face, the only sounds the rhythmic panting of the dogs and the runners slicing through the snow. It's exhilarating, freeing, and unlike anything you've ever experienced. All right, folks, get ready for a truly magical experience, because we're about to chase the northern lights. This celestial display, also known as the Aurora Borealis, is a natural phenomenon that will leave you breathless. Imagine this. You're far from the city lights, surrounded by the vast Alaskan wilderness. The night sky is a canvas of darkness, stars twinkling like diamonds scattered across black velvet. And then it begins. A faint glow appears on the horizon, gradually intensifying into shimmering curtains of green, pink, and purple light. The aurora dances across the sky, constantly shifting and changing, like a celestial ballet performed just for you. To maximize your chances of witnessing this ethereal display, head to Fairbanks or Coldfoot during the winter months. These locations, far from light pollution, offer some of the best aurora viewing opportunities in the world. Witnessing the northern lights is a transformative experience, a reminder of the raw power and beauty of the natural world. So pack your warmest gear, embrace the darkness, and prepare to be mesmerized by the celestial dance of the aurora. The northern lights are not just a visual spectacle, they are a profound experience that touches the soul. As you stand there, enveloped by the cold, crisp air, you feel a deep connection to the universe. It's a moment of reflection, a time to ponder the mysteries of the cosmos. The aurora's colors swirl and blend, creating patterns that seem almost otherworldly. Each display is unique, a fleeting masterpiece painted by nature itself, and while photographs and videos can capture the beauty, nothing compares to seeing it with your own eyes. The experience is both humbling and exhilarating, a reminder of our place in the vast expanse of the universe. So whether you're an avid adventurer or a casual traveler, witnessing the northern lights should be on your bucket list. It's a journey to the heart of nature's most awe-inspiring wonders. All right, adventurers, it's time to slow down the pace and experience Alaska from a different perspective. Aboard the iconic Alaska Railroad. Imagine this. You're settled into your seat, a warm drink in hand as the train chugs out of the station. The scenery outside your window transforms from bustling cityscapes to towering mountains, pristine lakes, and dense forests. For a classic Alaskan adventure, hop on the Coastal Classic route, which winds its way from Anchorage to Seward. You'll be treated to jaw-dropping views of the Chugach Mountains, the Turnagain Arm's dramatic tides, and maybe even a glimpse of a whale breaching in the distance. But the true beauty of a train journey lies in its leisurely pace. It's a chance to disconnect from the digital world, to savor the ever-changing landscapes, and to let the rhythm of the rails lull you into a state of peaceful contemplation. So, grab a window seat, sit back, and let the Alaska Railroad transport you to a world of natural wonder. Calling all anglers and seafood lovers, if you've ever dreamed of catching the biggest fish of your life, then this is your chance. Alaska is a fisherman's paradise, home to some of the most abundant and diverse fishing grounds in the world. Get ready to cast your line and reel in the catch of a lifetime. The thrill of the chase is an experience like no other. Imagine this. You're on a charter boat, the salty air whipping through your hair, the sun glistening on the water. As you troll the deep waters off the coast of Homer, Alaska, the halibut capital of the world, you can feel the potential for a big catch. Suddenly, your line goes taut, the rod bends almost double, and the fight is on. The adrenaline rush is indescribable. Halibut fishing requires strength, patience, and determination. These fish are powerful and will test your limits. These massive flatfish can grow to over 8 feet long and weigh hundreds of pounds. Reeling one in is a true test of strength. But the reward of landing a trophy fish is well worth the effort. The sense of accomplishment and the stories you'll have to tell are priceless. But halibut isn't the only prize swimming in Alaskan waters. The state is also famous for its incredible salmon fishing. Head to the Kenai River, one of the most famous salmon fishing destinations in the world, where the waters teem with life. Try your luck at landing a king salmon, the largest of the Pacific salmon species. These fish are known for their size and strength. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a first-time fisherman, Alaska offers an unforgettable fishing adventure. So pack your gear, gather your friends, and head to Alaska for the fishing experience of a lifetime. The memories you make will stay with you forever. So there you have it, folks, your ultimate guide to experiencing the wild beauty of Alaska. From soaring over glaciers to kayaking through icebergs, from dog sledding to witnessing the northern lights, Alaska offers an adventure for every taste. Let me know in the comments, would you ever visit Alaska? What adventure would you be most excited to experience? And hey, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring